Hello, I'm Michael Pardis, the Executive Director of the Bronx Cooperative Development Initiative.
And I'm Lenina Nadal, the Communications Manager here at BCDI, and we're here to present to you our 2020 BCDI Impact Report, Our Bronx, Our Future.
2020 was quite the year. In the midst of a pandemic, our staff still showed up to move work forward and to be with the Bronx. This year more than ever has showed us that the Bronx is a place of hopeful contradictions. In 2020, BCDI had some big goals for both fighting back and fighting forward. We're excited in this year's Impact Report to tell you some of the ways we achieved this and to give a glimpse at how we plan to do it in 2021.
First, early on in 2020, the work of our Innovation Factory was essential to how we showed up for our community during COVID. Early in the year, we held a Bronx Innovation Encuentro with over 100 participants, where local leaders and representatives from Bondragon Corporation, the largest network of worker-owned cooperatives in Spain, shared their model of innovation, successes in manufacturing, and made recommendations on how we could use both to impact our community in the Bronx. Early on during the pandemic, personal protective equipment was scarce. We used our 3D printer and the support of 8 volunteers to create 200 masks and shields for health workers at Montefiore Hospital.
In our Innovation Factory, we had 7 young people from the Bronx come together to form an event team. Through the generous support of Lemelson MIT, these young people participated in Eureka Fest, and over 9 months, including during COVID, they created a prototype, a wearable electronic bracelet. The bracelet would alert users of their surroundings and family members in case of any danger. Check out their video on our Instagram TV.
There is no future without innovation. Hence, the need for us to create a comprehensive vision document and short film about our community-based goals to build out the Bronx Innovation Factory, to advance digital manufacturing with low-income, women, people of color, and youth in the Bronx.
Economic democracy is the framework through which BCDI advances our work and supports leadership development. This year, we expanded our partnerships and trainings with other Bronx organizations. This includes a leadership development training with delegates of our Bronxwide Plan, and we had a funders briefing with over 40 attendees from 6 prominent foundations.
On top of our in-person remote trainings, we created several media pieces to expand our framework and ideas around economic democracy. We developed 2 field guides, one for small businesses in the Bronx and another for long-standing Bronx anchor institutions, so that they could learn some tools and techniques for how to implement economic democracy within their workplaces.
Through our Bronx Exchange project, we were able to secure $300,000 in contracts for local Bronx businesses. We also were able to develop relationships with over 20 anchor institutions in the Bronx. We supported MWBEs like the Latina-owned worker cooperative BioClassic and Clean Worker Solutions, a Black woman-owned business in the borough. We helped these businesses with operations and other capacity support, and were able to help them land contracts with these anchor institutions. We plan to do this and more in 2021.
We are developing an integrated pest management cooperative in the Bronx. BCDI won a Co-op Innovation Award. This year, we will continue to unite small pest management companies, often led by people of color, to work together in a co-op and expand their business and services, as well as their internal practice and commitment to economic democracy.
Saving our best for last, we are proud to be entering 2021 as a people's economic development and community-led planning organization. In the midst of gentrification, displacement, a looming eviction crisis, and the health pandemic, we are working with partners to create a Bronxwide platform that will reduce the generational wealth gap, as well as give hope to Bronx families and communities. In 2020, BCDI supported Northwest Bronx Community and Clergy Coalition and the Point CDC, who led a process with organizations across the borough to develop the Bronxwide People's Platform, a federal-level policy platform which was endorsed by 24 organizations. Northwest Bronx and The Point co-hosted a candidates forum with candidates running for the Congressional 15 seat, where community members discussed key issues and asked targeted questions aligned with the platform. The forum had over 300 people watch and over 2,000 views on Facebook. BCDI supported co-facilitating the community engagement sessions, doing policy research, and synthesizing input from all stakeholders into the forum. We also were a core partner in the coordinating team and helped organize the social media strategy. Our process of creating a shared vision and power for the Bronx has continued this fall with the co-creation of a city-level policy platform. We've brought together 22 delegates repping a partnership of 10 community-based organizations, affiliated youth groups, labor unions, and faith-based groups who participated in community engagement and delegate sessions to get feedback from the Bronxites and finalize the local level policy platform.
As part of our effort to expand community control and ownership in the Bronx, BCDI worked with the Northwest Bronx Community and Clergy Coalition to support the research and development of a community land trust. We worked with 11 students from Hunter College to create a report entitled Democratizing Mixed-Use Development, Recommendations for the Bronx Community Land Trust.
As lead conveners of the Southern Boulevard Coalition, we were able to bring together workers, youth, and Bronx residents. This includes a Know Your Rights workshop for essential workers, a youth power hour, and a virtual walking tour. These virtual public events got thousands of views of Facebook and brought together the Bronx community, youth, and stakeholders.
Overall, we're excited about our growing relationships with our partners, our ability to support local Bronx business with capacity and tech assistance, our growing presence on social media, and our role as a thought leader and producer around the ideas around economic democracy.
Thank you for watching BCDI's first ever Impact video. To stay engaged with us, check out our website, bcdi.nyc, our social media @Bronx Future, and in 2021, continue to look out for more Insta chats, webinars, and other types of engagement that will impact the Bronx and beyond. Thank you all, and here we come in 2021.